Lesson 10. Phonic sounds of double E. Double E, E. B. Feet, seed, reel, jeep, peel. Fee, see, bean, deep, feel, heel, keep, meet, peep, seen, tree, weed, week, weep. The mango seed. The big yellow mango falls from a tall tree. I keep it in my blue jeep. I peep in the jeep and see a big black bee on the mango. There is a big seed in the mango. On my way, I will meet Sam. We will then dig a deep pit and keep the seed in it.